Hello, if you want to move data from your USB drive to your Nothing phone, or for example from your Nothing phone to A Plus to the USB drive, first of all you will have to for sure connect this into your USB-C port. And next open the quick settings panel and you will have to go into the USB drive. You should actually get this location, this option once you actually plug it into the port. So tap on it once, and as you can see right here, you are inside your USB drive. So if you want to move some photos, you can just select them. You can select multiple files if you want. In my case, it's just short example, so I'm gonna only transfer this photo. When you click right here, you can actually select to copy or move. In my case, I just want to copy this and select your internal storage. And you can create a new folder or put it wherever you want. For example, I'm gonna put it into the download folder. Click to copy here. Now just wait for it. And you can go into the Google Files, accept permissions, and take a look. Once I'm gonna open the downloads, I can actually find this. But if you want to do this for the reverse, you want to put something on the USB drive, click and hold it, tap on it, select to move or copy, and select between your internal storage. Okay, that's actually strange. We don't have this USB drive, so we should probably go for some normal files. Okay, we have to go for the storage devices. There we go. And now let's pick something like this one, click and hold it, tap to move or copy, and select your USB drive and apply whatever you want. That will be all.